So in the last section, I covered why I don't use an ORM in this course. Keeping with the theme, in this section, we'll go over why I didn't use Redux form. Redux form is a popular library commonly used in Redux apps. So why not use it here? Well, I tried Redux form and I simply could not find a use case for it. We have to always keep in mind that the final case usage of what we're trying to do. And I couldn't come up with a scenario in this app where we would need to save the form data in the global Redux state. In this app, we simply take the data from a regular form and pass it to Axios, which then passes it to the Express server, which then finally saves it to our database. So there's no need for Redux in that flow. The other possible use case is for our edit post component, where we might need Redux form, but I simply handled that by passing in data through a property of the link element. And so because of that, I really could not find any use case for it at all. And you can try Redux form and see if you can come up with a clever use for it, but we'll not need it in this app. And another thing to keep in mind is that any functionality offered by Redux form can be accomplished relatively easier without it. You can simply set up forms much easier with just using regular React and Redux.